Hey y'all, it's your girl Nick So Chic. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the notification gang, so hit that bell. And let's get started with this lovely unit I have on now. So this is a rose gold pink synthetic wig. I got it off of Amazon. I will link the description box. It is from the vendor Charisma. I've had this wig for about a month. I know this is going to be like a late review because I've had this wig for a minute now, but when I first got it, it was kind of curled the same way as my purple wig. I will put some videos, some clips of the wig when I first got it at the end of the video so that y'all can see the whole transformation, because it is straight now. Well, kind of straight. I had it braided up, but now it's got this little wave pattern going on, but it is long. It comes down to my belly button, so I say it's about 24 inches. I am in love with this color, y'all. I don't know if I'm not necessarily in love with the wig, but I love the wig, but I'm not in love with the wig, if y'all get what I mean. But I am in love with this color, honey. Like, I don't know what it is with pink on my skin, but this is amazing. Like, I love this color. The parting space is natural. It comes with your typical cap construction. It has two combs right here, a comb at the end of the parting space, no comb in the back. I did sew my elastic strap, elastic band in the back so that I could get it tighter, because the wig is big head friendly, and it was way too big for my head at first. I do have my got to be around the hairline. I did pluck the hairline. I also plucked the parting space, which you didn't have to. I just wanted to open it up some more so that it could look more natural. But it does come with a natural parting space that's already kind of plucked. I did put some concealer in it at some point. However, right now I think that's all washed out, so I don't think I have any in there right now. It is coming off way shinier on camera than it really is, so you really don't need no baby powder, no dry shampoo with this. It's just looking extra shiny because of the lighting right now, but it's not that shiny on camera. Hold on, let me see. See, there you go. It's not that shiny. It's more like a natural shine. But yeah, I love this wig. It does shed a little bit, not excessively, but it is going to shed because it is a synthetic wig, ladies. When I first got it, it did not tangle that much. It tangles and sheds more now because I've had it for so long. I am going to get another one of these. Like, I might get about 2 or 3 more of these joints, because I just... shoot, call me Pinky, because this is my color right here. This is me, honey. I'm trying to tell you, I wear this wig all the time. This is like my go-to right here. But this is right on time for spring. Everybody's trying to change their hair color up for the springtime. This is perfect for the spring, right along with my purple one that I previously did. These are beautiful spring colors. I did trim the ends because, you know, they get fuzzy after you've had it so long, but it's not a bad wig. I actually really like this. I love the company Charisma. I have another wig from them. I actually have a few wigs from them, but I think Charisma is a nice company. I love their wigs. It is tangling right now because, you know what I'm saying, it is kind of old, but it's not too bad. And the parting space is really small on the sides, so it only goes to about right here. I think, yeah, that's where the parting space ends, and then in the middle it goes to right here. So if you do want to wear it as a side part, you can always twist it to the side. Just be mindful the lace will move with the part, so it's not gonna be like, if you want to put it over here, it's not gonna be that much lace on this side. So just be mindful of the hairstyles that you're trying to do with it. But as far as the wig itself, it is a really nice unit. It doesn't give you too many problems. It's not that hard to keep it looking good. I do like my hair straight, so I straightened it I think a week after I bought it, so a week after I got it. So if you want to do the curl thing, it does come with the curls already in it. Now, as far as heat friendly, it is heat friendly because I did straighten it, but do not go over 350 if you're trying to straighten this wig, because I remember, I think I had my, I think mine was on 450, honey. I was tripping. But when you straighten it, it kind of like, you can tell that the heat is like too much when you straighten it, because it kind of waves up and gets like super shiny. So then I turned it down to 300 and it straightened without any problems after that. So do not go above 350 when using heat on the curling wand. If you want to straight, go ahead and straighten it. It does take the heat really well, and whenever it starts to frizz up, all you got to do is put your flat iron to it, ladies, and get it right back to how you want it, looking good, you know what I'm saying? But let me put it all to the front. The density on this is really good. It's like, look at that, pretty good density. I think it's about 150, 125, 150, something like that. But it's not as thick as my purple one, but it is really thick. So you don't see no cap in the bag, none of that. The filler hairs, you can't really see them. I think mine you can see more because I plucked so much of the parting space, but you don't have a problem with filler hair showing. You don't have a problem with density because it is pretty thick. You won't have a problem straightening it or anything like that. So if you love this wig, let me know. If you want to see more like this, more colors like this, if you want to see more with dark roots in this color, put it in the comment section. If you have questions about it, let me know. If you want to see it with a different pattern in it, some curls, some crinkles, some crimps, let me know. If you want to see more like this. Yeah, ladies, this is the wig. Oh, hold on, let me turn around for y'all so y'all can see this. Let me stand up for y'all a little bit. But yeah, this is the lovely wig. So if you're feeling it, let me know. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang and always be updated when I upload new videos. Thank y'all for watching, and see you next time.